Hey dolls, it's Heather aka Frobae, and I am back again with another YouTube video. It's Fro Friday and we're doing an As I Am Naturally product review. And we're here at Sally's and I'm just going to pick up a few products. So most curly girls will tell you that products are never cheap, and As I Am is not any different with that. So I'm going to just go with the leave-in conditioner, the double buttercream, and the curling jelly. And I'm going to use only those products today to just try and see if using this one product line can make a difference in my hair and in my wash and go. So let's get right into it. So again, today I'm only using As I Am products, and I did use the leave-in conditioner as a co-wash because I did not want to use like a stripping shampoo. Right now I'm trying to shampoo only maybe twice a month, and I am co-washing in between when I'm doing my hair. So I am splitting my hair into sections and wetting my hair a little more just so it can be moist, as I want my products to go on when it is soaking wet. So I want my hair to have a lot of water in there. So I'm starting out again with the leave-in conditioner, putting it on my hair. And the leave-in conditioner was like $10.49, so about $11. And it is a creamy consistency. It's a little lighter than my normal Cantu conditioner that I use, but I do like it. It smells really good, and it goes on just as well as my normal leave-in conditioner, which I really like. This product is sulfate free, and it includes coconut, keratin, and shea butter. So it includes a lot of great ingredients that promote moisture and promote volume. So I'm excited about those results, honey. Let's see what's gonna happen. And so of course, for the lock method, I'm not using a completely separate oil, but some of the products do include oils. So hopefully that will give me the same effect that I do when I'm using the lock method with most of my other products. The double buttercream includes so many incredible ingredients. This is where we're getting our oil. It has cocoa butter, shea butter, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil. I mean, there's so many incredible ingredients in this product, and it smells consistent with the leave-in conditioner, which again I love, because I love when people say, oh, your hair smells good, but then you have like 5 different things on it, so you can't really tell. You don't feel like giving them a whole grocery list, you know what I'm saying? I will say, when I first put this in my hand, it was very thick, and I feel like I put too much really at first, but then I realized that it's gonna be so moisturized if I apply heavily like I normally do. So I'm just going ahead and applying this heavy, as I always apply my products, and just from root to end getting my hair soaked with this double buttercream. And I love it. I really love this product. This is probably my favorite one out of the 3. This product locks moisture and repairs split ends. Now we're going into the curling jelly. And I forgot to tell you that the double buttercream is $27.99 or something like that. But I will say it's worth it, so just get it, boo. Now the curling jelly is very watery, which is not my favorite type of gel. But let's just see what's gonna happen, honey. This is that slick gel, and a lot of people like this. A lot of people with 3C hair love this. It does give you a very defined look, so mixed with the other products, I think it's gonna balance out. So I'm just applying it to each section of my hair in the direction that I'm going to wear my hair, because of course it's gonna dry that way. The main ingredients are vitamin E, aloe vera, pectin, I think is what it's called, and sugar beetroot. And again, it's very slippery type of gel, so just be careful, but make sure you do get a lot, put a lot all over your hair. You want your hair to be saturated with all of the products. And this product was about $21, but Sally's had like a buy two get one free, so I used that. And here I'm just scrunching my hair as usual, you know, clumping all those products together and clumping out my curls. Of course, as always, I say to use a t-shirt or microfiber towel. This will help you prevent frizz. So altogether, I think I only may have spent $50 on the 3 products together. And I thought that was a really good deal for what I got. The double buttercream was a very large size, and I love that product the most, and I could definitely see myself incorporating it in my regular routine. So here's my hair, semi-dry, non-picked out, and here is my final result. So I definitely would recommend these products. Try them out and let me know what you think. Make sure you subscribe. Love you, dolls. See you next time.